Video I'm going to teach you how to tag all windows and doors by category. Okay, tagging means you can add a name or the type name of this door or window in front of the uh, relevant element. It means like that you can type, let's see, this one as D1. Okay, this one is D1, so I can type D1. Type D1 like this, and this one is D3. I can type any text by using this text tool under the annotate tab. Okay, now this one is D3. Like that we can tag each and every doors and windows, but there is a easy way. It will take only few seconds. Okay, how can I do it? Go to the annotate tab, then there is a tool called tag all or tag by category. Okay, first I will select this tag by category. Okay, I click that one. You can see that after I click on that tool, and when the cursor reach each and every element, you can see that we can tag each element by relevant name. You can see that W4, W8, like this. Okay, this is the way of tagging by category. Okay, I will undo all this. Okay, then let's see how to tag all. When I click on this tag all button, you can see that each and every element or each and every category is showing in this window. Okay, I'm going to tag all doors and all windows. Okay, you can see that loaded tags. It means these tags are already loaded. Okay, you can see that these are the new tags which I have applied. It it took only few seconds to tag all the elements. Okay, I will undo it again and again. I will do it. Annotate tag all doors and windows. That's the way of tagging windows and doors in Revit. Thank you.